Well, John Van Leer, New Zealand Sotheby's International, here in the mighty Manawatu. Tuscan style influence comes to Hokowhitu. Just along from the Hokowhitu Village, number 168 Te Awi Street, back from the road in this Tuscan environment, alfresco. You can imagine just sampling a little wine at that table, but the home itself, well, clever. 2 living rooms, a lovely master suite downstairs if you choose it, but there's also one upstairs if you choose it. 2 further double bedrooms and a study. It's got it all, it's easy care, there's not a lawn to mow, it's just living at its best. We hope you've enjoyed the property at number 168 Te Awi Street. The Tuscan influences are both everywhere, inside and out. Auction date is the 8th of December. We'd love to show you through, so give us a call anytime.